Hi friends, today we are going to study the theory examples based on the simultaneous equation or linear equation. That is the first example. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and the 3 times the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. We have two numbers, that is, let's suppose smaller number is y and greater number is x, but we have given the difference between two is 3, therefore x minus y equal to 3. Difference means minus, x minus y equal to 3. By second condition, that is the thrice of the bigger or greater and twice of the smaller, so 3x plus 2y equal to 19. Here coefficient of y is 2 and here coefficient of y is 1, so we have to multiply by 2 to the equation 1. Therefore it will become 2x plus minus 2y equal to 6, and another equation 3x plus 2y equal to 19. Here minus 2y plus 2y, so make addition, 2y get cancelled, 3x plus 2x equal to 5x, 19 plus 6 is 25, therefore x equal to 5 comes here as a divide, 25 by 5, therefore x equal to 5. Put x equal to 5 in equation 1, we get equation 1 is x minus y equal to 3, value of x is 5, 5 minus y equal to 3, transfer y to the RHS and 3 to the LHS, 5 minus 3 equal to y, therefore y equal to 2. Therefore greater number is 5 and smaller number is 2. It is the first example. Then another example, that is the activity based. Here it is an rectangle. Here, right, I am rectangle. It is rectangle, and the sides given 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y, 2y and x plus 4. We have to find the value of x and y and find the perimeter and the area. We know opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, so opposite side 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y must be equal, so written here, and x plus 4 equal to 2y written here. From those we have to find the two equations, that is 2x minus 4x plus 4x minus 4x become here plus y minus y becomes plus y and 8 becomes minus 8, therefore minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x plus y 2y minus 8 is equation 1, and here 2y transfer to LHS and 4 transfer to RHS, therefore x minus 2y equal to minus 4, equation 2. Add here 2y plus 2y and here minus 2y, so make the addition of equation 1 and 2, minus 2x plus 2y minus 8 plus x minus 2y equal to minus 8, 2y get cancelled, minus 2x plus 6 is minus x, minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12, minus plus, therefore x equal to 12 here. Put it in equation 2, x minus 2y equal to minus 4, put x equal to 12 here, 12 plus, that is minus 4 come here, plus 4, minus 2y come here, plus 2y, therefore 16 equal to 2y, therefore y equal to 16 by 2, that is the y equal to 8. That is the, we have to find the value of x and y, so x is 12 and y is equal to 8, but we have to find perimeter. We have to find perimeter of rectangle, that is the perimeter means sum of all sides, that is given sides in the figure 2y plus x plus 4, 2x plus y plus 8 plus 4x minus y, y minus y plus y get cancelled, here 1x, 2x 3x and plus 4x is 7x plus 2y plus 4 plus 8 12. Put x equal to 12, we have find out earlier, and y equal to 8 in this equation, therefore 7 into 12, 2 into 8 plus 12, therefore 84 plus 16 plus 12 is 112 unit is the perimeter of the rectangle. Again we have to find that the area of rectangle, you know, area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is given in figure 4x minus y and breadth is 2y. Therefore put x equal to 12 again and y equal to 8. 4 into 12 minus 8 into 2 into 8, therefore 48 minus 8. 12 4s are 48 minus 8 and 2 8s are 16, therefore 40 into 16, that is the 16 4s are 64, 640 640 square unit is the area of rectangle. It is the answer of second example. That is the third example. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present age. We didn't know their ages, so we have to suppose present age of father is x years and present age of his son is y years. First condition is that sum of father age and double the son's age is 70, means x plus 2y equal to 70. And second condition is that twice the father's age plus son's age, means 2x plus y equal to 95. Here we have to make the coefficient of x same or y same, which may be. Here I have multiplied by 2 to the equation 1 and make subtraction. Here 2x plus 4y equal to 140. We have multiplied by 2 here, and 2x plus y 95 as it is, but subtraction means change the sign of second equation, minus minus minus. So 2x get cancelled, 4y minus y is 3y, 140 minus 95 is 45, therefore y equal to 45 by 3, y equal to 15. Y equal to 15 in put y equal to 15 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y equal to 70. Value of y is 15. X plus 2 into 15 equals 70. X plus 30, 15 into 30 equals 70. Transfer here, x equal to 70 minus 30 is 40. That is the present age of father is 40 years and present age of son is 50 years. It is the third example. Again, there is a fourth example. The denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice of its the numerator, and denominator becomes the 12 times the numerator if both numerator and denominator reduced by 6. Find fraction. The fraction means numerator and denominator. So suppose the numerator is x and denominator is y, therefore fraction is x by y. First condition is that denominator is twice the 4 more than the twice the numerator, means twice the numerator plus 4, therefore y equal to 2x plus 4. Transfer 2x here, minus 2x plus y equal to 4, equation 1. By second condition, after reducing the denominator and numerator by 6, it will get x minus 6 and y minus 6. It is reduce means minus. After reducing, second condition is that denominator is the 12 times of the numerator, therefore y minus 6 equal to 12 times of the numerator, means x minus 6. Y minus 6 equal to 12 x minus 72, minus, that is transfer 12x here, minus 12x plus y minus 72 minus plus 6x, therefore minus 12x plus y minus 66. Therefore you have two equations, that is minus 2x plus y equal to 4 is the first equation, and minus 12x plus y equal to minus 66 second equation. Here y the same sign, so make the subtraction, so we have to change the sign, minus plus minus plus, y get cancelled, 12x minus 2, 10x equal to 70, x equal to 70 by 10, therefore x equal to 7. Put x equal to 7 in equation 1. Equation 1 is minus 2x plus y equal to 4. Put x equal to 7 here, 7 into minus 2, 14. Transfer to the RHS, y equal to 4 plus 14, that is 18. Therefore fraction is x by y, value of x is 7, y is 18. Okay, thank you.